Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a layer mask in Krita. To start, select the layer you want to mask in the layers docker. This is the layer you'll paint on to hide or reveal content. Next, right-click the layer in the layers docker. Then choose Add, then Transparency Mask. Krita attaches a mask thumbnail to the layer. This is where you'll paint to control visibility. Once the transparency mask is added, click the mask thumbnail so your painting tools affect the mask instead of the layer pixels themselves. Now choose a brush and paint on the mask. Black removes parts of the layer, white brings them back, and gray gives partial fade. Since you're not altering the layer itself, you can edit this mask anytime without destroying your original art. To disable or remove the mask, right-click the mask thumbnail again and choose Remove Layer. The layer then returns to normal. And that's how you make a layer mask in Krita. Thanks for watching.